Alright, let's talk about body string. And you are given A and B strings, and you are going to return true if you can swap two letters in A, so let the result is equal to B, and otherwise you just return false. And I and J are not equal to each other, so this is constraint. But let's just jump to example. So A and B are the same. A and B are not the same. So A and B are not the same, so you can swap, right? If A and B are the same, you just return false. But what happens if the A and B are the same but it's different with the same character? So A can swap with this A, and it's still equal to this one, right? So for this example, A, B, C, and this one is A, C, B. You swap the last two characters, right? So there's a constraint when you have same string. You need to find out what happened when you have same string. If not, then we just check if the size is equal to 2. The swap count is equal to 2 or not. So straightforward. So if A dot length is not equal to B dot length, if they are not the same length, you just return false. So what happens if A is equal to B? So imagine for this case, I store every single character into the set and check if this set is less than the B length. So hash set and then character set equal to new hash set, and then I just loop through the string and set the as C. Now I have entire character inside my set. So if A and B are the same, I need to just check the size. If the size is less than B dot length, which is size is 1, right? Set size is 1, right? And then B length is 2. If this happen, 1 less than 2 is true. But when this happen, 2 is not less than 2, so it's just false. So next, if A and B are not the same, and we just worry about the indices. Integer different than new array list, and then they just loop through the entire array. If A dot length, if A char at I is equal to B char at I, then we are not worried about it, we just continue. What happens if they are not the same? If they are not the same, we just add the index, right? So if they are not the same, in this case, if they are not the same, we have to make sure that diff size is equal to 2. What else? If this character is equal to this character, right? So we store the index in here if they are not the same, right? So and A dot char at, and we can just get the 0 because the size is 2 for difference, right? It's equal to B dot char at a different dot get 1, right? Different dot get 0 equal to different dot get 1, and vice versa. A dot char at different dot get 1 is equal to B dot char at different dot get 0. So imagine here, 0 is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 0, right? So let's check. Alright, good. So no problem. So let's talk about time and space. You are actually like storing the character, the indices characters to the different size, the different list, but it's not that actually the problem. The worst case could be O of n. It's either the length of the A or length of the B. It just depends on actually they are the same. So O of n is O of A dot length or O of B dot length. They are the same. But for the time, you're actually traversing all of the character inside the string, right? All of character inside A and inside the B, but you are doing it at once, so it's O of n. And that would be super simple. So just make sure you know when they are equal and the set of size is less than the bit dot length. And when they are not equal, you definitely see if the different dot size is equal to 2. If they are equal to 2, then you check the character. If the character at index 0 and then character index at 1, or characters index at 1 is equal to character index 0. So you get the idea, right? Peace out.